In this video, I'll be showing you how to reduce video file size in Premiere Pro. It's a very simple method, so if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, you might want to make your files smaller if you need to send it somewhere. For example, I know that WeTransfer has a 2 GB limit. So if you want to make it less than 2 GB, you can do it in this way. And you can just customize the file size to anything you want. So all you want to do is you want to open up Premiere Pro. Once it's open, just open up the project that you want to open. Then once you're here, let's say this is the footage that I wanted to export. All I have to do is go to the very start of my footage, press I, and then I would go to the very end of my footage right before it ends, and I would press O to do an out point. So this highlights this section right here. Then all I want to do is I want to go to File, Export, and then Media. But I could also just press Control and M. Pressing those two things together is going to open up the export area, and then you're going to see a bunch of different settings. So the first thing you want to do is make sure your format is H.264. You could also do QuickTime, but H.264 is a lot more universal, and it's just really good for YouTube videos or anything like that. Make sure your frame size is exactly how your video is, or if it's for TikTok, make sure it's 1080 by 1920 instead. Your frame rate should be the exact same as your source media, so in my case it's 60. Make sure your field order is progressive, square pixels. I also like to render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality so the video looks nice. Now, as you can see, my estimated file size is 333 megabytes, but let's say I wanted it to be under 200 megabytes. All I want to do is go to bitrate settings and lower the target bitrate. So let's say if I change it from 165 to like 100, it's going to be to 203, which is still 3 megabytes over 200. So I can also just press this. Let's say I want to do 97. Okay, now it's 196 megabytes, which is exactly how I want it to be. So that's perfect. All you want to do after that is save your file in a location that you want to. So just click this. It's going to open up your file explorer and you can save it wherever you want. And the final thing you want to do is press export. It's as simple as that.